Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating a whiteboard style animation with OpenArt lets you produce explainer videos without drawing manually using AI generated visuals and simple editing. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to make a whiteboard animation on OpenArt in 2026 clean and professional. First thing first, to write your script. To start, a simple explanation like keep sentences short, break into steps or scenes like example, what is photosynthesis, like each line means one scene. So generate whiteboard style images, like go to OpenArt image generator, okay, like this. Use prompt like black and white line drawing, whiteboard style, each stick, like for example I will show you the example itself. Okay, so as you can see here, let me show you the example. Okay, or another, we have another prompt also, you can use it, like for example this one. So generate one image per scene. Okay, so animate the image, like use image to video tool, upload your generated image, add prompts like for example slow drawing animation, whiteboard style, soft motion. Okay, generate short clips and keep motion minimal. Okay, you can create multiple scenes, like repeat for each part of your script. Keep style consistent, because consistency means professional look. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.